You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Tuesday after lack of data. Many was passive partners in pairs, although commentary from Feds closer towards the end of the day was quite hawkish. The greenback ended at 1.37 to the euro and 101.32 to the yen. Today's data includes the release of minutes of the April 30th FOMC meeting minutes. Next, to the euro. They were weakened on Tuesday due to investor concerns ahead of the EU elections after reports of increased support for Eurosceptic parties, which could be a threat to the fragile recovery. The single currency ended at 1.37 to the dollar and 138.82 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone consumer confidence, which is expected to fall to negative 8.6% in May. British pound. The pound strengthened on Tuesday after inflation data showed higher than expected rise to 1.8% in April, bringing it closer to official targets and increasing the possibility of the BOE moving to tighten policy earlier than previously expected. Sterling ended at 1.6836 to the dollar and 0.8135 to the euro. Today's data includes April sales, which is expected to show 5.2% rise, and the last BOE meeting minutes. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Tuesday after geopolitical tensions in Ukraine and Southeast Asia increased safety flows into the currency. The yen ended at 101.32 to the dollar and 170.58 to the pound. Today's data includes figures showing outside investors' interest in Japanese stocks and bonds and the amount spent by Japanese investors on foreign financial assets. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts on the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.368 with targets at 1.3735 and 1.375 in extension. Below 1.368, which we look for further downside with 1.3645 and 1.362 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.68 with targets at 1.6875 and 1.6905 in extension. Below 1.68, which we look for further downside with 1.6076 and 1.6073 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 101.05 with targets at 101.7 and 101.9 in extension. Below 101.05, which will look for further downside with 100.75 and 100.3 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chang. You've been watching Markets4you. Have a great day.